Hola, hola, it's me, Mona. I'm very happy to be here today and present what's going on in the cava and wine region Penedès here in Spain. In the Swedish version last week you might have met my husband Göran. I'm here as his wife. And they've taken me in this time because we have an event coming up starting on Thursday, which is really close to me personally. That is the International Patchwork Festival in Sitges. Yeah, Sitges, that's the town where I live, and you know, it's a really classy Mediterranean beach town with nice restaurants, nice people. Okay, you just get the picture, don't you? And now we have this festival with textile art all along the beachwalk, and there will be exhibitions and workshops. I'd suggest you don't miss it. I'll be there all the 4 days, and it's celebrated for the eighth time in a row. What a tradition, isn't it? Yeah. So to celebrate, I've made this map here of Penedès for my husband Göran. In all honesty, I don't think that this thing with Penedès is so important. Usually those who talk about Penedès are the same people who talk about like Catalonia, it should be independent and such things. That's not for me, if I say so. I'm normal, I'm not like them. No, but I mean, I made this to make Göran happy because it is nice to work with your hands and to work with textile. So, and since I'm here to tell you about Penedès, well, what can I say? There isn't very much going on which I like, except for the top thing, of course. Well, there is one little thing that is in Sant Salvador. That's the beach next to, belonging to Vendrell. They will have a jazz concert, Sant Salvador. That is nice. It's also another beach walk down by the sea and a nice historical building. So yeah, that's worth a visit. It is, yes. Okay, what else do we have? Well, if you plan to come here during the coming weekend, I mean, it won't be cold compared with Sweden, where I come from, but it won't be extremely warm here either, and you might want to bring an umbrella. Okay. That's all for me for this week. I'm off to my Sevillana class, so hasta la vista. Yo cojo la manzana, la miro, la muerdo, la tiro. Yo cojo la manzana, la miro, la muerdo, la tiro. Yo cojo la manzana, la miro, la muerdo, la tiro. Yo cojo la manzana, la miro, la